Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, MANA, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, MANA, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. MANA's creative director Sam Hamilton says that, while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the share, especially during a panic crash. Therefore, the higher this number is, the more probable a crash might extend due to panic selling. Since 24 January, the number of Bhutan gold terms held on centralized entities has dropped from 33.5 million to 12.4 million, revealing that 21.1 million Bhutan gold terms tokens have left the exchanges. This has alleviated the potential sell pressure, hinting that these investors are positive on the price performance of Banker in the near future. Cause a $2.1 retest before a revival phase. Besides, the alt shared a 73% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. So, keeping a watch on the King Coins movement would be crucial to complement the above analysis. And second news today is, could Decentraland's phygital move be the catalyst for MANA land sales? Both Decentraland and the Sandbox have been pushing the metaverse to the general public. Alas, owing to present market conditions, their plans do not seem to be working. For its part, however, Decentraland does not seem to want to back down. Its latest effort to push metaverse to the mainstream audience may just be proof of the same. Decentraland x Bulova. According to an announcement 2 days ago, Decentraland has now introduced a new phygital watch to the world. Launched by Bulova in partnership with Decave, the watch has been described as wearable in the metaverse, with more details intended to be shared by 10 March. Bulova, as a 147-year-old brand, has a strong presence in the market. And, with the company making a move into the virtual world, Decentraland would attract more brand users to join the metaverse. This undertaking represents a legally enforceable commitment by Binance to the OSC. The OSC reserves the right to take enforcement action against Binance for any past, present or future breaches of Ontario securities law, not arising from the events described in the undertaking. The OSC said in a separate statement. Only 6 crypto exchanges approved so far by the OSC. So far, Ontario's security regulator has approved only 6 crypto exchanges to operate in the province, with all of them being local operators. Canada does not have a national securities regulator, with each province managing its own capital markets. The OSC is the country's largest, and also regulates the benchmark Toronto Stock Exchange. Binance is still allowed to operate in Canada's other provinces. Let's get a grasp of what these institutional investors could be on. Essentially, this on-chain index serves as a proxy for such investors. A spike in this metric could be seen as bullish if it occurs at the bottom of the bear run, and bearish at the top of a bull run. Considering how ENG has lost 75% of its value, the recent increase in transactions worth $100,000 or more from 6 to 40 reveals an optimistic outlook for ENG coin. While things are looking up for ENG, market participants need to exercise caution as a pullback may be around the corner. Moreover, the uncertainty around Bitcoin could lead to a suboptimal outlook for ENG coin. Perhaps the most interesting metric is the supply of ENG held on exchanges. This index can be used to determine the potential sell-side pressure for an asset. For ENG coin, the holdings of ENG have increased from 403 million to 417 million. This net 14 million uptick in ENG entering centralized exchange wallets indicates that these investors might sell in case of a flash crash, compounding the sell-side pressure and causing more losses. Therefore, market participants need to exercise caution when investing in Engine Coin. And second news about Metaverse Fashion Week. 70 brands do their best to showcase style in Decentraland. Decentraland kicked off Metaverse Fashion Week, a combination of high-end designers and wearables vendors flaunting non-fungible token (NFT) collections in the blockchain-based virtual world. Brands such as Estée Lauder, Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana and Forever 21 are all participating in the virtual fashion event. Many spent weeks laying claim to metaverse-ready trademarks in what now appears to have been a preemptive brand protection strategy ahead of their NFT premiere. With the rise of digital goods and metaverse shopping experiences, Decentraland's Fashion Week seeks to provide a space for people to express themselves and expand the understanding of their own self through wearables on their avatars, said Sam Hamilton. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana price prediction